Hey, ene e nngwe hape ke hore ke na le anxiety nyana le excitement 47 tsa August ha ho tlo buiwa from the little break ya ko khoto. Right, ke na le di mixed emotions. One is of anxiety nyana, the other is of excitement because my take is that Mkhwanazi's debacle, this Mkhwanazi's story, came at the perfect time for the case. Pila. Hale ka lebella pila ka litho la hore ha Mkhwanazi a tlo bolela bana ka di corruption tsa bo judiciary, SAPS, NPA eng ho tlhaella bo mabitso a bo General Sibiya, ho tlhaella ho na le bo busynyana bo tlo irahalang. Worse, because even the parliament addressed the issue that should anything happen to Mkhwanazi, le tlo itse hore South Africa ke bo mang. Because I remember this guy said, when Chris Hani passed, the country was livid. But people were very, very angry. The country was supposed to have burned down then. Marhabana le Mandela, the peacemaker, a khopela hore batho a re handle mpila ka khotso and. So this guy in parliament says Mandela a sa le teng ne hona bano. Ha ona motho o tlo reng re tlogele ntwa. Touch this Mkhwanazi guy le tlo bona hore South Africa and ka ntle le mo wa ke re la bona le mo di TikTok on social media, people are angry. South Africans are angry, very angry. And it's not only about maybe cases that are sense of Meyiwa and things. It's a lot. Ragoisha, Guningest. Ragoisha, who are Goishiwa? This guy Obrima Sikri says South Africa is gone. It was sold to the what? Lowest bidder or something like that. And he's right. Ya tsamaya country arena, ya hoikelwa ka country arena if we don't do anything about it. And the fortunate part is that this time, Nagoe, is the perfect time to show the GNU, to show the world what South Africa is made out of. I get about Barato Hotlama, the Commission of Inquiry. Renyagobana Commission of Inquiry, people are watching it. Renyagobana, is this one going to end more felleng jwale ka tse ding tse di fella mo moyeng or e tlo pushiwana? And we are fed up. People are fed up. Social media is also playing a role to show these politicians who are angry. Corrupt, and bjano di a tlhahella. Nna phate ya ka ko mokgotsi ka morata. Ke nya gore hona mo ireng ya July e makatsang. Ke nya go bona re rata boa o tlo bereka bang ka section 174. O tlo e granta or o tlo e hanana. High granta, then he still has his integrity. He will still be remembered as a good judge, perhaps, for those who still have a little, sympathy for him, at least. Haka se grant 174. Because now tshwantse ho bitiwe bang o babu Absalom Zungu a tlo tlhalosa hore Guninda se dilo tseo a ke itse selo ka dilo tse Guninda di bolela. Unless if rata ka rata ke rata akanyatsa Absalom Zungu ka mkhwa irileng Makubo ka trial within a trial. This guy's position is so low hore aka policha ditlhako tsa Guninda. La sitse story so la sopola story so Judge Rata, presiding officer, my lord, are o ka mkhwaleng low ka teng position aka policha ditlhako tsa Guninda. That is why ke a khola Zungu oiling sizwe ile sikhumbuzo ha nyaka ke na ile ko papa ha hore nthuse ka ntho hore ke kre promotion la e bona marae yo lena di tlo a ke itse hore ke re di a boa di tlo boa ho irahala lena ho hectic mara ke nya go bona chomiaka ka gore nna ke sure o thengiwe kere nna ke le boditse o thengiwe kgala thengiwe bjano gona bjanong o kolota ba ba mo thengileng o kolota le South Africa o mo dikolotong ntate o mo dikolotong o e bereka bjang he is in a catch-22 situation because ka mo ba mo patetse ka mo South Africa gore di tlo bo ba di bolela le ko Concord ba re go corrupt mo justice system ke sure wa di utlwa dilo tseo lini a re emen re bone lights ke emetse ora di 7 ke di emetse